I will assure under my oath of office as President of this Republic, as elected by you, yung pogo na yan, insofar kami dito, malinis yan. Laro yan para lang sa kabila. But it employs something like 20,000 dito sa Maynila. Dito lang yung pogo yan. Walang pera dyan. Diretso sa PAGCOR yan, they talk with PAGCOR. The ambassador of China deals with, dealing kasi illegal yan sa, why? Because it gives us 2 billion a month. 2 billion. Kaya sabi ko, para muna. Wala ako malagyan sa 200 na Pilipino at ang karami kong kailangan. That is only the POGO. But PAGCOR is like 17 billion.
At ngayon po, naririnig po namin ang malakas na sigaw ng taong bayan laban sa mga POGO. Disguising as legitimate entities, their operations have ventured into illicit areas furthest from gaming, such as financial scamming, money laundering, prostitution, human trafficking, kidnapping, brutal torture, even murder. The grave abuse and disrespect to our system of laws must stop. Kailangan nang itigil ang panggulo nito sa ating lipunan at paglalakastangan sa ating bansa. Effective today, all POGOs are banned.